Today we'll show you how to make miso walnut. Walnut pieces are coated with miso paste mixed with honey. This sweet and savory walnut is great for topping on rice and vegetable, and it's healthy and nutritious. We only need 3 ingredients: walnut pieces, miso paste, and honey. Traditional recipes tend to use sugar and mirin, but they are a bit too sweet. Honey adds just enough sweetness for this. First, we toast half a cup of walnut pieces in a frying pan with no oil at medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Transfer them to cutting board and chop to smaller pieces. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup miso paste and 2 tablespoons honey. Add the toasted walnut pieces and mix. That's all. You can keep this in the fridge for a couple of weeks. Serve with steamed rice, toast, or vegetable. Sweet, crunchy, and savory walnuts are so good, and it's easy to make. 美味しい。